Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So basically this video is specific for Vessel theme of the Shopify. If you have any other theme, then you can explore my playlist of the videos. So I have already created a lot of videos with different themes. So if you still don't find, then you can message me. I will create a new video for you according to the theme which you are using. If you have color variant or any other name of the variant, for say example fabric or maybe material, then still this feature will work in your store. So let me show you the preview of this store, that how it looks right now. So for say example, I'm going to the home page of this Vessel theme. So let me go to the shop page, that is the collection page. So here you can see that we have multiple products, but only single color is displaying. For example, this product has multiple colors. So here you can see that we have multiple colors on this main product page, but on collection page we can only see a single color. So how we can display all those colors on this collection page? So let me show you step by step that how you can implement this feature into your store. So right here on the dashboard you can see we have Vessel theme, and let me click on these three dots, and firstly you should duplicate this theme, because later on if you want to roll it back to the original version, then you can actually do that. And then after you should again click on these three dots and click on edit code, and inside of this you will see that we have multiple folders and files. So we are going to follow a documentation. I have already given the link below in the description. So once you are clicking that link, you will be getting all these files. So firstly you should open document.txt. Inside of this file you will find that I have already given all the steps which are important for this video. So we are going to follow all these steps. Now the first step is that create a new snippet, color dash variant. So let me copy this name from here, go back, and here we have snippets. Click on this snippet, click on add a new snippet, and then you should paste that name and then click on done. So we have created an empty snippet file. In the same way we have to go to the second step, which is again need to create another new snippet, color dash gallery. So let me copy this, go back here, we have to click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, and then click on done. So we have created a second file of the snippet. So similarly we have the third step, which is create another new snippet, color dash group. So let me copy this, go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, and then click on done. And again go back, we have to create another new snippet, color dash variant. So let me copy this, go back, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, click on done. So we have created 4 files of the snippet, and now we have to paste the code which is attached. So here we have the first file, which is color-card.txt. So you should copy this code from here and then paste it inside of color-card.liquid. So let me paste it, then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can actually close this file and go back, and we have the second file, which is color-gallery.txt. So let me copy this and go back here, and then open color-gallery.liquid and paste that code, and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can again close this file also and go back here. We have the third file, which is color-group.txt. So let me copy this code and go back, and here we have color-group.liquid. So you should paste that code and then click on save. So once changes are saved, then you can close this file also, go back. We have to copy the code from color-variant.txt. So let me copy this and go back here. We have color-variant.liquid. Inside of it you need to paste that code and then click on save. So once the changes are saved, then you can close this file also and then go back to the documentation. So inside the documentation we have the 5th step, which is go to blocks, open _product-card.liquid. So let me copy this name, go back here, we have to click on search box and we have to paste it right here. So under blocks we have _product-card.liquid. So just you need to open it up, and inside of this we have to replace this line of code with these lines of code. So let me copy these lines and go back here. We have to firstly delete this first line and then add the copied lines which we have right here, and then click on save. So once the changes are saved, then you can close this file also, go back to the documentation. We have the 6th step, which is the final step. So go to sections, open main-collection.liquid. So let me copy this name, go back here, we have to search it right here. Under sections we have main-collection.liquid. So inside of this, what we have to do is we have to remove li tag inside of this loop. So we need to find this loop. Let me scroll it down and you will see around line number 75 we have this li tag. So you need to remove this li tag. This is opening tag and this is the closing tag also. You should remove it and then you can save the changes. And that's it. Now you can close this file and check the preview. So earlier we have something like this, but now if we are previewing the store by fresh changes, so you will see that there is something happened on the collection page. So here we go. Now you can see that on collection page we have multiple color variants displaying as an individual product on this collection page. So earlier we only had one color, but now we have multiple colors. So that's how you can actually display color variants as a separate products on the collection pages. If you're facing any issues or something, you can definitely send me a message. I will help you out in that. So if you have any new store to create, or maybe you have to create any new feature into your Shopify store, you can message me. I have already given the contact details below in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.